A camera car is one of the most efficient and coolest platforms you can have on a film set. It's just extremely flexible and versatile, gyro-stabilized arm car. The Porsche Cayenne is really the gold standard for camera cars. I'm Roegge. I'm a filmmaker and director of photography.
I'm Chris Barrett and a camera car driver.
My name is Kevin, and I'm responsible for the arm that is mounted on top of the Cayenne.
You go on a shoot, and sometimes you end up off-road, gravel, rocks, snow, basically anything. Cayenne handles it.
My favorite car now is by far Porsche Cayenne with the panoramic roof, because it gives you that visibility. It was a heaven for us as arm operators, because all of a sudden you have a full 360 view. If you lose the crane when you're off the back, you can turn around, see at the back end of the crane. There is always somewhere you can see the arm.
Putting a lot of weight on the roof, putting 5, sometimes 6 people in the car. Whether it's on-road, off-road, it soaks it up and keeps chugging away.
I've been in off-road vehicles that have arms mounted at the top, dune buggies, pickup trucks, other SUVs, cars, but I think the Cayenne's kind of the Swiss Army knife. It's good in a lot of different types of terrain. It handles really well. It accelerates really quickly. It has a good top speed.
I think the fastest I've had them up to is 132. And it was just resetting. They were like, let's see how fast we can go. So we weren't actually shooting anything.
Chris Barrett and I have been on the tail of the Dragon for multiple days, and that's one of the most technical and dangerous roads in America. And we had it closed down, and we were chasing a rallycross car, as fast as Chris could push the Cayenne. If I didn't trust the Cayenne or if I didn't trust Chris, I would never get in the car, but I implicitly trust both of those things. If you've never been in a Cayenne, they're really impressive machines, to be honest.